Diplomatic cake, a yummy layer cake that everyone will love. Unroll the puff pastry and prick the surface with a fork. Divide into 2 rectangles, sprinkle with powdered sugar. Bake in fan mode at 180°C. It will take about 15 minutes. It should be well browned. Prepare the sponge cake. Crack the eggs into a bowl, add the sugar. Whisk for at least 10 minutes. The batter should be fluffy and well supported. Gradually add the sifted flour. Pour into a baking pan and bake for about 30 minutes at 170°C in static mode. Prepare the custard. Put the milk in a saucepan. Add the lemon zest, half of the sugar, and the vanilla extract and bring to a boil. In a bowl, whisk the egg yolks with the remaining sugar. When they are frothy, add the cornstarch. Add the hot milk to the eggs, mix everything. Put the mixture in the saucepan and cook until thickened. Transfer to a bowl, cover with a veil of sugar. Whip the cream. Fold the cold custard into the whipped cream and refrigerate until ready to use. Trim the edges of the puff pastry. Cut the sponge cake to the same size as the puff pastry. Soak the sponge cake with plenty of diluted ALCHERMES. Assemble the diplomatic cake. Place the puff pastry on the serving plate. Cover with diplomatic cream. Place the sponge cake on the cream and soak again with ALCHERMES. Complete with more diplomatic cream and puff pastry. Dust everything with powdered sugar. The diplomatic cake is ready to be cut into cubes and served. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.